Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at a camcorder tripod which I got from Amazon. I will be giving you the product link in my description. So let's get started. So this is a tripod. Let's see what we have. Three-way fluid effect pan head, quick release plate, dual bubble level, quick release leg locks, non-slip adjustable rubber feet. Yeah, that's a simple box. Nothing on the front, nothing on the top. So let's open the box now. Yeah. Basically pretty easy to open, no hassle. So what do you have? Okay, nicely packed, and there is a stand. Not sure what this is. What else we have? Okay, and this is another attachment. Okay, and that's the remote, I guess. Yeah, so that's the remote. So let's get started. Nice. Okay, so that's not heavy. That's good. Looks like a good weight. Looks like a solid base. Yeah, looks good. Let me arrange this now. That's how the stand looks in the first level, which measures 26.5 inches in height. That's how the stand looks in the second level, which measures 35 inches in height. That's how the stand looks in the third level, and it measures 44 inches in height. So they also have this provision. Okay, this knob, when you loosen this, you can lift this up completely. So if you look at it, that's how big it is now. Yeah, so let's measure this. This is the last and the final level, and it measures 53 inches in height. So that's how you will set your mobile. So this knob is basically for this movement. That's a circular movement like this. This one is basically to tilt it. Yeah. And you have this one here. That's basically to tilt the mobile, like this. Yeah, if you loosen this, so you can basically tilt it like this. And this is the knob where you attach this piece to a screw here and then lock it, and that's where this piece comes here. So that's all about this. So let's say if you want to take a YouTube video, and if you're doing a product review of any product, this is how the setup will be. For example, if you see here, this is not fully stretched out, so that's basically it. And then you attach a mobile to it, you configure it, you set it up, and I basically zoomed it. So yeah, so you can set it however you want, but yeah, this is pretty much it. So let's move on to setting up the remote. So I went through the user manual, and that's a horrible instructions which are given here with a lot of spelling mistakes. But to make your life easier, so there's on off button here, right? So once you turn it on, what you have to do is you have to turn on Bluetooth in your mobile, and then you need to pair it with the remote. The remote will be displayed as AB shutter 3, as you see in the point C. So that's the AB shutter 3. So once you click on it, it gets paired, and then what happens is you just open up your camera app, and then when you click this button, click, there you go, you saw the click, and yeah, that's the picture. So that's how you use the camera app. So yeah, these are horrible instructions. They are also given that we can use camera 360, but when I went to the Play Store, it's so confusing. Let me show you that. So when I go to the Play Store, yeah, there's this. When I search for camera 360, there is camera 360. There are other items as well. So I don't know which one it is. They could have mentioned from which company. They haven't mentioned it. Overall, the product is good. It's called Zetong tripod stand, where you can use it to fit variety of devices like cell phone, tablet, GoPro, cameras. So yeah, it serves the purpose. It looks good. It looks sturdy. Bluetooth remote is an additional item, not that great, but it will be helpful in some occasions. I will give the product link in the description. That's all for now. If you like the video, give a like, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye bye.